In this video, we will see how to create artwork for Merch by Amazon t-shirt from scratch in Photoshop. If this is your first time viewing my video, please subscribe to channel and click bell icon to get video updates when new content is added. First, open a blank file in Photoshop. Click File in the main menu and click New File here. Next, enter dimensions in the pop-up window. 4500 pixels width and 5400 pixels height, and resolution of the file is to be 300 dpi. Select transparent background. Under Advanced, select sRGB profile and next click Save Preset, and next type in a name for the preset. Every time you create an Amazon Merch t-shirt artwork image, you need not keep entering the dimensions for the file. You can directly select this preset. And all the artwork elements like copyright-free image and textual content added. Next, select Fill option and fill white background in the transparent layer, so the artwork is visible clearly in the white background. Next, in the blank image file, you can add copyright-free images or images which you have the right to add in the artwork. Click File option and then click Open option and select free copyrighted image that you wish to add to your Amazon Merch t-shirt. You can also type any text to your t-shirt image as artwork. You can add text here by selecting the text tool, and you can type your text content here that you want on your Amazon t-shirt. Next, we need a transparent artwork image for the Amazon t-shirt. Hence, click this eye or visibility hidden option beside the layer to hide background layer. Once you are satisfied with the artwork, next convert the file to sRGB profile for Amazon Merch. Click Edit tab in the main menu. Next, click Convert to Profile from the drop-down menu. Next, Confirm sRGB profile is selected under Destination Space, which is the ideal profile format for Merch Amazon product images, and finally click OK. You can see the file has been converted to sRGB profile and flattened into a single layer. Next, let's save the file for Amazon Merch. So click the File option in main menu and again select Save As option to save the artwork image file. Select the PNG format and type a suitable name to save the artwork as a transparent file for Amazon Merch. You can upload this artwork to Amazon Merch t-shirt. And we are done creating the Merch Amazon artwork image file for Merch Amazon t-shirt. Now let's upload this artwork on Merch Amazon t-shirts for sale. Log into your Amazon website and next click Upload Finish Artwork button. Next, in this page, we can upload our artwork for t-shirt and other product details. Click Upload button on the t-shirt here to upload your artwork and select the product type and marketplace you intend to sell the t-shirt. Select if you want the artwork to be printed both front and back or only the front side. Next, click Save Selection and Continue button. Next, on this page, you can configure your product fit for men, women and youth, and as well as the t-shirt colors that will be available for sale. You can select up to 5 colors here. Next, You can enter your price here. Higher price yields high royalty earning, but sale can drop down. So choose the optimum price you feel is right for your artwork. Next, click Save Selection and Continue button. Next, on this page, enter brand name for the product and a unique title for your product that you think the buyers would type in the search to look for your t-shirt. Again, enter keyword that you think people will enter while searching for similar t-shirt design. You can enter a brief product description and finally again click Save Selection and Continue button. Next on this page, review all the details entered like product, artwork, name, pricing, and keywords for product. Finally, submit the product for review by Merch Amazon team. Here, you can see the product review is under process. It will take a few minutes or few hours to be approved. Once it's approved, it will be live for sale. As you can see, our product is live. We have successfully created a sRGB profile product image in Photoshop that's approved by Merch Amazon. Let's click and see how our main product listing page looks. This page you can share in social media and share with your friends, encouraging them to buy if they like the t-shirt design. With this, we come to the end of this video. Please subscribe and click the bell icon. Like and comment on the video if you like it. Thank you.